One.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. This is Abhishek Singh from BBAKU 6M, and today I am present here to describe the case study on FECL. But before explaining my case study, I am really thankful to my subject faculty Sudhir sir, who has given me an opportunity to describe this case study in front of you all. Now let's come back to our case study, that is FECL, Fast Express Courier Limited. This is as we can say, this is an innovative courier overnight delivery company that changed the way of company to do business. Basically what happens, the courier company are the backbone of any e-commerce company, because on the basis of courier company only the companies are able to get the trust of the customers that they will be getting delivery on time. It was the first company to offer an overnight delivery system. According to this case study, it was the first, the FECL was the first company that was offering the overnight delivery system. According to FECL, if the customer orders their product overnight after 10 or suppose after 12 PM also, then it was assured that they will get the delivery 10:30 at the morning time. It was helping the customer a lot to improve their day-to-day activities. Now second, the FECL said even more reliable delivery. It designs tracking inventory management system for many large companies. As I said, FECL was having the contract with many of the large companies, and the large companies were able to satisfy the customer or meet the customer demands or promise the timeliness delivery because of the FECL only. Because FECL promised the companies that we will assure the delivery on time to the customers. Afterwards, for example, warehouse design operated by FECL is the past of distribution channel. Very large computer from the organization customer can place order for inventory late midnight, and the marketers FECL help guarantee delivery by the next morning. FECL has positioned itself as a company with service that solves customers' problem. As here we can say that FECL is promising the customers that you can order late night, we will get you the assured delivery within 10:30 early morning. Now we will look after the three questions that are there in this case study. What is FECL product, and what are the tangible and intangible elements of this service product? What are the FECL product? As we can see, the timeliness and the assurance delivery are the main product of FECL. Now coming to the another question. What are the tangible and intangible elements of this product? As we can see, the warehouses, the computer systems are the tangible, and the intangible is the good service quality. What is service quality? When the company meets the customer demand, is called the good service quality. And here FECL is most capable to meet all of the good service quality for the customers. Now coming to the next question. What are the elements of service quality for a delivery service like FECL? The question is quite similar with the first one. What are the elements of FECL for a good service quality here? As we can see here, the FECL is having it designs tracking and inventory management for system for the large companies. As FECL is having the very large orders from the many large courier company, many large e-commerce company, and the elements, timeliness delivery, assurance for the customer are the elements for FECL. The third and the last question. In what ways does technology influence the FECL? As we can see, technology matters a lot. As FECL is having the very much better ERP system, enterprise resource planning, that help customer to track their order. For any of the customer, it is very necessary to know the details about their order which they have ordered, and FECL is very best in it because they have the tracking and the inventory management system. This helps the customer to track their order details. That's all from my side. Thank you and have a very nice day.